This is Kawasaki Ninja H2R Pro Robotic Black Edition designed by some viewers who asked me to decide. This is not an official design from the Kawasaki company. Recently, Kawasaki released the Ninja H2R Pro Robotic Edition, but it seems that the new color is only applied to Ninja bikes 1000cc and below. Although the Ninja H2 and H2R are the eldest in the Kawasaki bike family, they are rarely updated with new color versions. Almost from the time it was first launched to version 10, the H2R has hardly been updated with new colors and exteriors. It's great that the Kawasaki company will update new colors for the H2 and H2R like the bike products in the Kawasaki family. If Kawasaki can update the next exterior design for the H2 and H2R, it will be a great thing for those who love this bike line. If you want, I will update the design of the H2 H2R's new model in the next videos. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and like, share this video. Thank you and see you.